Ay, call me Mr. Machiavelli. I make them disappear just like Harry Houdini, Benny lyrically.